Moe Friends. Oh.
What's a Moe holding?
I think he's got a letter, so I think he probably better go exploring.
Why are you leaving?
Cause Moe likes learning and today Moe has a yearning to know more. Sing!
I see that you're carrying an H this time, and H is a really hard letter to rhyme.
Moe loves to wander and roam.
If I were you, I'd probably stay at home. Take it easy, Mo.
Bye, Mo.
Cheerio, Moe.
Oh, what are these guys doing? Looks hot. Moe's gonna check it out. Why are you lighting a fire?
We're cooking some food in the ground.
Why are you doing that?
It's a traditional way of cooking of our Māori people from the past and still very much today.
Don't even need an oven.
Don't need an oven.
Don't
That
even
is
need
the oven.
electricity.
The hole in the ground is the oven.
Oh, and what's it called?
It's called the Hāngī.
Oh. What kind of food is in a hāngī?
Stuffing?
Do you like the stuffing?
Yes.
Do you have meat in a hāngī?
Yes.
Do you have vegetables in a hāngī?
Mm-hmm.
So what is your hāngī pit made of?
Our pit here is concrete around the edge, and we have a steel tin lid to go over the top.
What would you do, though, if you didn't have a fancy steel and concrete hāngī pit?
Well, you'd simply just dig a hole in the earth.
What do you do first when you're preparing a hāngī?
We gather volcanic rocks, and we put the rocks on top of the timber, and we light the fire.
Oh, and then what happens?
You allow yourself about 3 to 4 hours for the fire to heat the rocks. And at the same time, you allow that time to prepare the food.
Okay. Lots of potatoes to peel. Better get started. Oh, there's a lot of work. So the food is all prepared now. What do we do next?
Now, we take the food that we've prepared, that's placed in a basket, and we put it on top of those hot rocks.
Oh, so the hot rocks are underneath the basket of food?
Yes.
And all the heat is coming up? Oh, and it cooks it all the way through?
It does.
Oh,
And then we cover it. Cover it with wet sacks. It creates steam, so it's a steamed way of cooking in the earth. And we put a lid on top of modern days. In the past, we just put earth over it, and we just leave it in for 3 to 4 hours to cook.
oh. Is it hāngī time?
Yes.
Oh, thank goodness. We're so hungry. Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Oh.
Whakapiringa ringa, katinga karu, tuohu ngā mahinga kei no tātou.
Oh, let's eat. What are you going to eat first? Mo recommends the potatoes. Betty, have
Yeah?
you tried the potato?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yes. Mo peeled the potato. Yeah. Whoa, that is good hāngī. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.